Simula na ng pambansang laro ng bayan ng Pinoy. Medyo! Tawagin na natin ating
Ay, para
magandang
matuloy na ang flight natin.
Stewardess Zaida!
Iyado! Ay, ya!
Bagong karga ang gasolina, mga kaibigan.
Hello, miss.
Hello, sir.
How are you?
I'm good.
This is your favorite passenger, Joey?
Yes, both of you, my favorite passenger.
Lagi ko siyang sinasakyan, pare.
Oo.
Subukan mo. Ay, ang ganda ng flight nila.
Walang turbulence?
Walang turbulence, puro turbo lang. Walang turbulence, puro turbo.
Oh. What do we have for today?
Yes.
It's a sunny day today, so...
Sure?
Yes, sir. It's a sunny day today, so I decided to cook a very Pinoy merienda that will complement the weather today.
Oh, compliment the weather. Sunny
Ano
weather
yan?
today, ha?
I prepared something hot and sweet. It's banana Q.
Wow! Yes!
Wow, that's...
I love you!
Wow.
I love you! Now you can eat,
Tuwan-tuwa ka sa...
everybody.
Hey, the bar is open, huh? Okay. Thank you, Miss Saida.
Thank you.
Are they clean?
They're clean.
You like bananas?
Bananas.
Oh, okay. What kind of banana you like?
I like all bananas.
What is your favorite?
Señorita, sir.
Senorita. Oh, the small one.
The small man. If you travel from Tagaytay to Manila,
You
Itangkay will be
one big
left
kiss. When you get to Manila, no more.
no more. They will fall.
Everything
in the
falling
course
down.
of the travel.
So you like senorita, huh? You like only small, saging. Okay. Keep it our cards.